How to send pictures on Gmail. Let it be an Android or an iOS, doesn't matter. So let's head to the video. Before we head to the video, please hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel grow. Thanks a lot. Now let's head to the video. First you open the app Gmail. You click on Compose. Once you click on Compose, whom you're sending the mail to, you click that. Once that's done, you fill the subject. Once you fill the subject, click on Compose Mail, and here on the top right you'll find a paperclip option. Click on that and click on Attach. Once you click on Attach, select the picture in your gallery. Once you select the picture, here if you want to add some text, you can add that. If you don't want to add a text, you just straight away want to send the photo, click on the send option up here. Once you click on that, the mail will automatically be sent with the photo attached to it. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.